Yeah, here we have a 13-inch by 40-inch geared head lathe. I'm going to power it up and show you that it operates. Now it's missing a main switch right here to turn it on. However, the switch can be repaired, and it is right in here. You just turn that on and off, just like that. So it does operate. And I'm going to show you the cross feed first here. So that cross feed does operate. However, this handle right here, dial, broke off from the thread here, so you may need a lead screw for that. Okay. Push that back in there like that. So that's the lead screw for the cross feed, and the slow speed right here forward for threading. Switch it over to this top lead screw. It's a little bent, so it wobbles quite a bit. I'll show you that it does operate. See? I can let it go too far there. Alright. Set the machine off. We're going to go in the other direction. Turn the machine back on here. Just a little noisy in there. We have to test the coolant pump. The coolant pump does operate. It vibrates quite a bit because, as you can see, it does operate. We're not sure if it pumps junction box. We had to remove it. It was pretty smashed. This has a X and Y axis scales. They're Accurate scales. A little damage along here. Here's the handle for here. It's broke off. Comes with the instruction and parts manual. Parts can be ordered for this machine through MSC. This foot brake right here, this is operational on the inside electrically, but mechanically it's bent out of shape. Here's your electrical panel. It's all in good shape there. If you want to switch direction, if you push in the contactor here, it will go forward, reverse. However, there's only one speed on the arbor here. The apron doesn't want to turn when you push it up, and it doesn't jog. I think there's a little issue with the switch in there. Probably be repaired. We checked all the speeds. Everything runs good on there.